Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on accepting friend requests on PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are on the PubG app, go to the main dashboard. On the dashboard, if you have any friend requests, you will see a bell icon in the friend area on the left. Tap on your Friends area to open up the Friends page. Now tap the bell icon to open the Friend Requests page. Here you can view your friend requests. You can accept or decline them one at a time, or also tap Accept All or Ignore All if you have many requests. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.